Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Riu in Trelawny. This is a Riu Aquarelle hotel that's being built in Cooper's Pen, Trelawny. It's 754 rooms and it's the 7th hotel that Riu is building in Jamaica. The 7th. I mean, almost every time an award is given out, you hear Jamaica win some award for tourism. Almost every week you hear them winning some award. But Jamaica has won some of the biggest awards in tourism. Caribbean Destination of the Year. I think the Sanctuary International Airport is the #1 airport in the Caribbean. So it should be no surprise that Jamaica has 7 Riu hotels. But the building of this hotel, I'm really impressed with it for 3 reasons. One, it's on schedule. Riu said they were going to open this hotel in May 2024, and for a couple months now they've been taking reservations for this property. The hotel is not finished, but they're taking reservations, and I think this is the only construction project I've seen in Jamaica that actually finishes on time. When it comes on to roads like the Southern Coastal Highway, let me zoom in for you guys. Those projects are always delayed. They give you some ridiculous timelines. A lot of the buildings that go up, they give you a timeline, and it's not, they always have to adjust the completion date. But this hotel, it didn't change, and they've actually gone ahead and started to take bookings. So it's going to open in May 2024, which is, we're 2 weeks left in March, April. May is 6 weeks away, and a lot of people have left comments stating that they've actually booked to stay at this hotel later this year. So that really impressed me, that they actually made the deadline, or that the deadline was realistic. Very nice hotel. It's a massive structure. That tower is 12 floors. The tallest tower, that's 12 floors. 12. When you look at this hotel, you would think it's more than 754 rooms. Now, the second thing that really impressed me with this project is the number of workers on it. The amount of workers that were working on this hotel, I've never seen so many workers on a project. It was really impressive. At one point there were over 700 people working on this project. So that was really impressive, I must say. And the third thing that's really impressive is that they built the hotel in Trelawny. Now Riu has hotels in 3 in Montego Bay, 2 in Negril, 1 in Adherence, the main tourist areas in Jamaica. But this hotel is actually built in Trelawny, Cooper's Pen, Trelawny, and that was really impressive as well. Those 3 things really stood out to me with the construction of this hotel. And this is actually another hotel on the right that is Royalton. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about the Riu project and those 3 things. How fast it went up, and the fact that it finished on time, and the large workforce they had working on it, and the fact that Riu decided to go with Trelawny over. They could easily put another hotel in one of those 3 main spots, but they chose Trelawny for this one. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. We're actually driving past the entrance to Royalton now and going back out onto the main road.